Welcome to Captivate Insider, brought to you by Rebel Base Media, the creators of Captivate.fm, the world's only growth-oriented podcast host, featuring news, release roundups, and behind-the-scenes insights into the creation, evolution, and development of the Captivate podcasting platform. Captivate Insider is the perfect place to stay up to date with what you can expect from the Rebel Base Media hosting and analytics team. Brought to you every week, I'm your host, Mark Asquith, and along with my CTO and co-founder, Kieran McKeefery, we're going to be diving deep into the podcasting industry, going behind the scenes of the future of the industry, and delivering you the very best in podcast insights. Go and check out the first episode now, and if you need a hand with anything at all, hit up Captivate.fm.